We'll guide you through how to make fisheye effect in Premiere Pro. If you find this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. To begin this tutorial, open Adobe Premiere Pro on your computer. Drag the media clip onto the timeline to create a new sequence or place it into an existing one. Once the clip is ready, go to the Effects panel, which contains various visual effects that you can apply to your footage. In the search bar, type Lens Distortion to quickly locate the effect. When the Lens Distortion effect appears in the results, drag it onto the video layer in the timeline to apply it. After applying the effect, go to the Effect Controls panel to adjust the settings. Scroll down until you find the Lens Distortion section, then adjust the curvature value according to your needs. For example, set it to 100 to create a strong fisheye distortion. Next, scroll up to the Motion section and adjust the scale value until the edges of the frame are no longer visible. This helps remove any unwanted white borders caused by the distortion. Once the first distortion is applied, right-click on the video layer in the timeline and select Nest, then click OK to confirm. This step groups the clip so you can apply additional effects more easily. After nesting the clip, go back to the Effects panel and drag the Lens Distortion effect onto the nested video layer in the timeline again. Then return to the Effect Controls panel and scroll down to the Lens Distortion section. Adjust the curvature value again according to your needs. For example, set it to 100 to intensify the fisheye effect. Scroll up to the Motion section and adjust the scale value until the edges are no longer visible. Next, right-click inside the Project panel and select New Item. Then choose Color Matte and click OK to confirm. Select a color according to your preference. For example, choose black. Then click OK and click OK again to confirm. Drag the color matte onto the timeline above your video. Go to the Effect Controls panel, scroll down to the Opacity section, and click Create Clipping Mask. Enable the inverted option, then adjust the mask expansion and mask feather according to your needs. Press Enter or click Play in the program monitor to preview the fisheye effect.